Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we're talking about how students can use artificial intelligence in their financial and school life to improve their experience and make things easier for them. With the increasing use of technology in education and personal finance, it's becoming more and more important for students to understand how to use AI to their advantage. In this video, we'll be discussing some of the ways that students can use AI to manage their finances and streamline their school life, so let's get started. Budgeting and personal finance. One of the most important things that students need to understand is how to manage their finances effectively, and AI can be a great help in this regard. For example, students can use AI-powered budgeting apps that help them track their expenses, set up a budget, and keep track of their income. Some popular budgeting apps include Mint, Personal Capital, and Pocket Guard. These apps can help students stay on top of their finances and avoid overspending or falling into debt. Investment advice. Another important aspect of personal finance is investing, and AI can also be used here to help students make informed decisions about their investments. AI-powered investment apps like Robinhood or Stash allow students to easily invest in stocks and other assets, and they use AI algorithms to provide personalized investment recommendations based on the student's risk tolerance and investment goals. These apps can help students get started with investing, even if they have limited experience or knowledge. Study aids. In the field of education, AI is also playing a growing role, and there are many AI-powered tools that students can use to improve their academic performance. For example, AI-powered study aids like Quizlet or Anki can help students memorize and retain information more effectively by using spaced repetition algorithms and other techniques. These tools can also be used to practice for exams and quizzes, and they can help students improve their grades and test scores. Essay writing assistance. Writing essays and papers is an important part of many students' academic lives, and AI can also help here. AI-powered writing tools like Grammarly or Hemingway can help students improve their writing by providing suggestions for grammar, spelling, and punctuation, as well as suggestions for making their writing more concise and easier to understand. These tools can also help students avoid plagiarism by checking their writing against online sources. Personalized learning. Finally, AI is also being used to provide personalized learning experiences for students. For example, AI-powered educational platforms like Coursera or Udemy use algorithms to personalize the learning experience for each student based on their interests, skills, and progress. These platforms can help students learn more effectively by providing tailored content and feedback, and they can also help students stay motivated by providing recognition for their achievements. Conclusion. In conclusion, AI is an increasingly important tool for students to have in their toolkit, both for managing their finances and for improving their academic performance. Whether it's for budgeting and personal finance, investment advice, study aids, essay writing assistance, or personalized learning, AI has the potential to help students in many different ways. So, if you're a student and you haven't already started using AI, now is the time to start exploring these tools and seeing how they can help you. Thank you for tuning into this informative video. If you found it helpful, be sure to give it a like and hit that subscribe button to stay updated on future videos. Plus, I'll be creating tutorials on how you can make money using the tools linked in the description soon, so make sure to turn on post notifications to stay in the loop. Take care and see you in the next video.